Hello friends, in this video I am going to replace broken screen of iPhone 6s. Before starting it, quickly let me tell you the best replacement screen that I am using. It comes from YPLANG, containing all the required tools and spare items such as a magnetic strip. This helps me to keep screws of different sizes at right place, a manual containing all the steps for replacement, a screen adhesive, a tempered glass, a replacement kit with all the required tools, and the best quality replacement screen, all in just $35. For more about this screen, check link at the top right corner. First, switch off the phone and remove two 3.5 mm pentalobe screws present next to the charging socket. I am using magnetic screw pad for keeping my screws. Take 2 cups of boiling water in a pot and cover water with a polythene. Put phone on top of it and leave it for 50 seconds. There is glue between phone body and the screen. We are heating the glass so the glue will become soft. Use the suction cup to separate touch assembly from the phone body as shown here. Make sure the suction cup is put very close to the home button. Phone should be open from home button side only as shown here. If your screen is badly shattered, the complete broken screen can be covered with a white tape before using suction cup. Let me disconnect battery first. Open these two screws and remove the metal bracket. Use spudger to remove the connection as shown here. Now let's remove this metal bracket. It is covering the connectors for camera, LCD screen and proximity sensor. These 4 screws are of different sizes, so please remember their location. Use flat side of spudger tool to push upward these 3 connection cables. Now LCD screen is detached from the main body. If there is any change in the shape of the phone body due to fall or bending, you can fix it now. Let me clean all the glue tapes. We will put new glue tape later. Though I have never found any issue with YPLANG screens, but it is always good to test new screen first. Connect two connectors as shown here and then connect battery and turn on the phone and check if screen is fine. Looks like screen is perfect and there are no dead pixels. Great. Let's disconnect the battery and then remove the LCD screen. Now we will put all components present in the broken screen to the new screen. Let's take out a speaker first. For this, open these three screws as shown here. Lift the front camera cable which is covering the speaker. Take out the speaker. Lift the cable glued at the rear end of front camera cable and leave it for now. Let's remove home button now. Remove these three screws as shown here. Remove the metal bracket and disconnect connection using spuzzer tool. You need to just lift it. This cable is glued here, we need to heat it first. Again take hot water covered with polythene and put the broken screen on it as shown here. And then detach the home button assembly. Push home button from touch side, it will come out. Okay, time to remove the flex cable having camera and proximity sensor. There is glue between the red area as shown here. Since the screen is hot, we can lift this assembly to remove it. Green arrows are indicating places from where you can lift the assembly. This has two parts. Yellow area is speaker housing and flex cable is separated with green line. Here we have removed assembly of proximity sensor and front camera. Let's remove the metal plate now. Soon after removing this plate, we will put this plate on new LCD screen. Let me open all the screws. Cut this tape here so that we can remove it from the old screen. I have put the metal plate on new screen. Now I am going to fix the flex cable and speaker. Remove the glue shield. and put the flex cable as shown here. Align all the cable properly as shown here. First put the sensor at its right place. Now put the speaker as shown here and cover it with the front camera and speaker cable. There are two small poles to align the speaker and cable for the speaker and front camera. Cover it with the metal bracket and put 3 screws as shown here. In the similar fashion, let's put the home button. Connect the cable and then fix the metal bracket. I have cleaned the main body already. Now I am going to put glue around the body. This glue tape came along with the new LCD screen. Our new LCD screen is ready to be fixed with the main body. Let's connect 3 cables first. You need to align cable and press gently. You should hear low click sound. And the same way connect the battery cable. Before fixing any metal bracket or screws, let's check if everything is fine and our phone is working. It seems everything is good. Now put both the metal brackets and screws. Now close and fix the screen with the main body. But wait, there is a hook next to the front camera speaker as shown here. While fixing the screen with main body, first this hook must be inserted at its right place in the main body and then close the screen and press it gently as shown here. Put final two screws and we are done here. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon present next to the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.